the Snack Rogers! From the Olympic Peninsula hiking grounds, put them together for Kelby! Look for the Seattle, Washington, as is no warranty, Tommy Lawless, the hustle and the muscle! Ladies and gentlemen of the Battle Palace, are you ready? Slap those motherfucking hands together and count it down. 3, 2, 1, battle!
Some more awesome tag team action is underway. Former champions, the Hustle and the Muscle, looking to make a bunch of jangles out of the Jack the Snack and Cubby, another first-time team. Oh, looking to get the rear waist lock in, but Tommy cannot reach. Oh, he does. Barely gets it.
He gets his hands around that pepperoni.
Jack the Snack throws some pepperoni into Tommy's gut. Tommy didn't like it. Gets him in the headlock forward. And Tommy Lawless thought he could shoulder tackle him down, but the Snack did
shirt, so now I have gummy bears to eat, which is very appreciated.
Not just any gummy bears, they're solid steel gummy bears. Don't eat them.
Chew carefully. Chew carefully.
Go to the dentist with a vomit. Working the frequent flag is one will keep the hustle and the muscle in control. Beautiful blockbuster, and Jack the Snack could be dead. It took not one but two men to get Jack the Snack down. Right in the pepperoni. Right in the pep.
He might even caught a skill over there.
May have preheated the oven with that one. ZZ hits the ropes. Uh-oh. Beautiful snap flex. And he says that is the Lord of the ass of the tea kettle. And Cubby is now an illegal man. Formerly known as the Hellfire Club, this kid is breaking away and making a name for himself. Northern Light suplex. Only a one count.
Prior to the match, I saw Cubby try and offer up a gummy bear snack to somebody in the heel section. He ripped them off and told them, "No, fuck off, I want Sour Patch Kids." That's the type of attitude we're getting from the heel section.
You can't take any one of those solid heels anywhere. Especially Regan. Snack and a slam. Snaps it happened with one, and he's looking for another. Scoops him up.
Oh, snack attack, motherfucker!
Jack the Snack Rogers has the munchies, and he's ready to eat.
It's never good when he smacks his own pepperoni.
It's never good when anyone stakes their own pepperoni.
Not in public, at least.
At least in prison. But Daddy's been menacing courage. Tommy Wallace, a veteran around these parts, has been wrestled all up and down the East Coast, returning to the Pacific Northwest a few years ago, making a name for himself as the Muscle.
He's gonna have to use all of his muscles to take Jack the Snack down.
But that's one of the mind games coming to play. John Madsen's warranty and Tommy Wallace have hustle and the muscle. They both have what it takes. And that's a good idea. That's the come up. Tommy's gonna hug you. Nobody called CPS. That kid just had his head taken off. Oh no, Tommy Wallace locking in a full Nelson. Oh. His manhandling Jacob. Oh shit. Face first out of an elevated full Nelson slam. The Muscle living up to his name. Oh, Tommy time.
This does not seem fair, Cody.
Oh, shit, Cubby! I don't know if Cubby actually meant to grab that bottom rope or if he just twitched. But either way, this match continues. And that probably isn't the best thing for Cubby. Uh-oh. Looking to skin the Cub. It's the ropes. And Cubby has been eliminated. Shades of Perry Saturn and John Close. Cubby reaching for the tag, but as is no warranty, has other plans. Oh, Steve, this looks like it's gonna be one more. For the bad guy. Like I said earlier, both Aziz and Tommy are the hustle and the muscle. They both have the hustle. They both have the muscle, and that's where they fool their opponents.
seemed like Cubby was just so close to getting the tag, but he was not aware of his own surroundings.
Suplex tosses Cubby like it ain't no thing. Jacob Silva.
Jack the Snake is trying to get the crowd to motivate Cubby. Now earlier you mentioned that Cubby was once a member of the Hellfire Club.
He just dropped it straight on his head. And yes, at one point Cubby was a member of the Hellfire Club. And he made the choice to not take their shit anymore. He's riding solo, and right now he might actually be regretting it.
I feel that might be the case. I think he can use the help of a couple more people right now.
Because as is the warranty, is looking to lock in the Baby Dylan deadlock. Oh, using all of his body weight. Baby Dylan deadlock. Oh, again, all of Aziz's body weight. Damn, he may have dislocated the leg, the knee of Jacob Sodas.
And just when you think it's gotten bad, it's only gotten worse now. It's on the longest in the ring.
That's exactly what I could have said it better myself. That's just when we thought the pain may ease up. Tommy Wallace has other plans.
Driving his head right to the chin of Tommy. Jack the Snake is getting beast mode on this bitch right now, putting some skittle elbows to the face of Tommy Wallace.
Tommy Wallace made his left dip to snap out of the feet. I was rolling down the lariat. Both combatants go down. They had the same ideal. Double lariat. Come on, Tommy! We 2-1 battalion. Both combatants desperately need to make the tag. Jacob switched the legs.
Oh, God. Oh, man, Jack the Snack is beating him down like as if he's got pineapple on that fucking pizza.
A huge